Hello everyone! Want to highlight important messages or give your favorite viewers a shout out during your Twitch streams? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to pin messages on Twitch mobile. So, let's get started. First, open the Twitch app and go to the live stream where you want to pin a message. Tap the chat panel on the side. Now, scroll through the messages in the chat and find the one you want to highlight. Press and hold the message you want to pin. A menu will appear. Tap the pin message option. The comment will now stay at the top of the chat, visible to everyone. And that's it. Super simple, right? Pinning messages can help highlight important information or shout out viewers during streams. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.